Olivia, please, wait. Please.
Jack, what is it now? What is it? I asked for your ATM, you said you cannot give it to me, you want to send me money. The men that are giving women their ATM, do they have two heads? Why can't you be a man for once?
Hey, hi, baby.
Linda. When and how did you get in here?
I got in here because I have your spare key. Did you forget?
Oh, yeah.
And I also came to make breakfast for you.
Oh, do you really have to?
Oh, Donald. It's your first day at work after a while, and I wanted it to be special.
Thank you. But I don't think I can have breakfast now.
Why?
Should there be a why?
Donald, what is going on? You changed ever since...
Hey, no, please, I am running late for work, okay? Be sure to lock the door after you. Yeah, one more thing, please. When leaving, kindly drop my key behind. I don't really feel comfortable with someone having the spare keys to my house. Okay? Thank you.
Hey. Someone else? I am now someone else? What the...
Olivia! Liv! I'm coming.
Come open the door.
I'm coming! Do you want to break my door?
Did you just say your door? Latest landlady.
Why are you banging my door?
Landlady, when are the parents? Sit down.
Why are you guys here so early?
So early? Anyways, we are here to inform you that the morning days are over. That money sitting in your account is crying for help. Please spend me. It's an escape, darling. It wants to be spent. And we're here to help you with the stress of spending the money. What? Look, Olive, not the fault for us, okay? You can deceive others, but not us. Look, I know you're trying to be very cautious on what people will say. But come off it. The morning days are over. It's time to bounce back.
And we know that you cannot wait to go shopping, clubbing, painting the whole city red. You know how we roll now.
Yes, we know.
You guys can't even let somebody pretending.
Please, I beg, what's that? We miss you on the streets, you know now.
Well, if you insist, let's do it.
That's my girl!
So what are we doing?
First off, we are going to get that picture off the wall.
Let me go and get wine.
Okay. Rest in peace. There you go. You can trash it, burn it, whatever you like. This is your house and your rules. Bring wine! Let's celebrate!
Man, thanks for everything. Come on, I did what I had to do for us. You know, indeed they say 2 heads are better than 1, but trust me, you did a great job of 2 men. I must commend you.
You're making me feel fly now.
Oh, you should.
But thank you.
Thank you. But this place was not the same without you, bro.
I know, right? And I still have you to thank for it. Come on, thanks for everything, for running the company, for being there for me. I really appreciate you.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. But just thank you for being alive, too. But I don't think you should shower all these praises on me alone, though. You should thank Elena, too. That lady is brave and strong. She has the spirit and the mind of a hustler. You're lucky you have that lady on your side, bro. What's that?
Yeah, we were talking about the business deal with the company in South Africa. Tell me more about it.
This guy. Jonah, I know you. What is the problem?
No, it's you. You told me about the deal, like put me up to speed on it, yeah. I'm all ears.
Put this here. Oh, okay.
Hey guys,
Elena!
Femi.
Oh, yeah.
I should be the one saying that. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey baby.
Hi.
What was that?
What? Oh, okay. That was a fabulous nutmeg by a player. I think it has prospect, you know. It's one of the best.
Please, can you just
highly
stop?
rated.
Just stop. What was that?
Guy, you can't understand.
I will understand.
Okay, I don't feel anything for her. Yeah, I know she's my fiancée and we're supposed to get married before things went the way it did. But I don't feel the same way again. Yes, I don't love Elena. I'm not even sure I like her.
I'm actually trying to understand what you're saying right now. Kai, that babe has been through fire and brimstone for you this past month. And you think this is how you want to pay her back?
Which explains why I am stuck in the first place. Because the brain tells me that I have to stay, but the heart contradicts. Yes.
Sorry, I think I have to take this. But we're not done with this gist, bro. Trust me, we're not. I have to take this, bro. But we're not done with this gist. We'll talk about this tomorrow, okay? Over a drink, probably. But bro, reason that matter where, Sha?
I'm gonna beat you to that game, bro.
You wish.
You're bragging, right? I know, right? Oh yeah, I mean it, please. Awesome. Thanks. Yeah. So.
Fun.
Is this where the menu is?
Do now. Yeah. Play now.
Did you see that?
See what?
The lady.
Those three wayward looking ladies there.
Hey, come on.
Okay, focus. You came here so that I would trash you and talk about Elena, not those ladies.
Over to you, baby.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ladies, there is a cute guy over there. Don't look, he is so fine.
Damn, this guy is fine.
I told you not to look.
Sorry. Okay.
I like that.
Oh, you like Elena now?
Hey, I'm talking about the lady in red.
But that now, I know what a package you.
Just came for me actually with her eyes and the way she smiled. Bro, alright. Hello, beautiful.
Hi, handsome. Hi, charming.
Hi, I am Donald.
Olivia. Her name is Olivia.
Olivia. I like. Such a gorgeous name for a beautiful lady in red dress.
I know, right?
I'll have to run, but if you don't mind, I would like to have a drink with you soon. And if you're kind enough, I'd like to have your contacts as well. So do me the honors.
I will do you the honors, and I know her number by heart, so there you go. I even saved it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Olivia, I'll call you.
Don't worry, she'll be.
Hey, Femi.
Guy, get out.
Come on, bro. Femi.
Like you weren't tripping.
Femi.
So if I give you easy, you collect.
I'll collect. I don't want. I'll collect.
What's that?
Hey, Femi, what's up now? What's up?
The guy, what do you think you're doing?
I don't understand. I saw a girl that I liked and I walked up to her.
Elena still has your ring in her finger and you're here flirting with this wayward
I
looking
am
girl.
not flirting. Get the picture right. I saw someone that caught my interest and I think she's the one I want to be with. Unlike Elena, I don't feel anything for her. I don't want her.
You have to feel something for her again. What's even wrong with you?
Really?
Yes, you have to.
Okay, how is that even possible?
What did you feel for her the first time that made you walk up to her to tell her you like her? What did you feel for her that made you woo her? What did you feel for her that made you put the ring on that finger? What did you feel for her that made you walk up to her family and tell her, oh, he's the love of my life? You have to think of all those things and love that girl again. But wait, this one where your belly done the sweetie because of Chico you just see now. Just know that before your life start blowing off, that's when it start looking like it's interesting for you.
So you're gonna live like that?
Come out there, make I come out, abeg.
Should I call her?
Okay, so why hasn't he called then? Ugh. He needs to call me. Did he forget about me? Did he forget he met me? Maybe he didn't save my number. I think he didn't save my number, right? That's what it is. Ugh, well, if he doesn't call, whatever. I mean, right? No, whatever. Oh my gosh. This man needs to call me. Please let him call me. He's my perfect idea of a man, please. Why won't you just call me?
No. To look like I am desperate. No. I'll call her tomorrow. Man, leave that thing. I'll call her. I can't wait till tomorrow.
No. It's probably him calling. Wait. Okay. Relax, Olivia. You can do this. Hello?
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 Hey, it's me, Donald.
Donald who?
You can't remember? We met at the lounge.
I didn't expect your call.
Oh well, but I called. Sorry, Olivia, to sound forward. I would really like us to go out on a date.
You just met me and you want to go on a date with me?
That's how I feel. I can't remember last name. See, I just know we met today, but it feels like I've known you for a long time.
Oh, that's funny.
So, lunch tomorrow?
Let me think about it. You can send me the address and the time. I'll see what I can do.
Great. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, bye. Yes!
Yes, that is what I am talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for you.
What is this?
I want us to go on a date tomorrow.
When you said you had a surprise, I expected something big. But you want me to go on a date with you? That's not happening. But I'm gonna take the dress because I know you have good taste, obviously. But I'm not going on a date with you.
But I thought we were dating already.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean I want to be seen with you in public. And besides, tomorrow is Saturday. Don't forget to send my allowance. Thank you.
In the darkest night,
Well, this is the perfect occasion for this perfect dress.
our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every...
So, are you single?
Very single. Are you single?
Oh.
I asked if you're single.
Oh, yeah, of course.
As in single.
Yeah, single, single.
As in, no baby mama single.
Hey, come on, not at all.
As in, you have girls trying to talk to you single.
Of course. There will be. But the most important thing here is that the heart knows what it wants, and I know who I want.
So who do you want?
You, Olivia.
Let's see.
Yeah. Looks stunning.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can come in. Elena.
Hi, Femi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. You're welcome.
Thank you. Where's Donald? I brought him lunch.
Okay, you just stepped out.
Where did he go?
He went to... No, he went for a meeting. Yeah, he went for a meeting. I don't think you should do that.
It's one of those people, one of those girls actually hitting on me. Yeah.
I see.
Come on, it is what it is.
It is. Hot cake.
Hey. So okay, tell me, why are you single?
My last relationship was an abusive one. I almost lost my life, so being in a relationship scares me.
Hey, I'm really sorry about that. But come on, what did the man think of hitting you?
Some men are wolves in sheep's clothing.
Yeah, I know, but you deserve better. I'm here to make sure of that. As a matter of fact, I'm here for you. That's if you give me the chance.
I think I'm just going to leave this here.
Yeah, better. You'll get it once it's back.
Femi, do you think Donald has changed?
Changed? In what way, please?
Honestly, I just don't know if it's because of what he went through. But Donald acts weird and he's close to treating me like a stranger.
He's still recovering, so I just think you should give him time.
Do you think that affected his love for me?
Lena, like I said, you just need to give him time. He'll come around, okay?
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah.
Alright, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
You guys are looking like you don't believe me. Look, this man is a blessing from God. Imagine my fantasy being turned into reality. I can't wait to walk down the aisle and make this man my own.
Hello.
Hi.
Are we still on the same page here?
What page?
What is it with the walking down the aisle thing?
Like, I don't understand it. You don't need to focus, so how far now? I thought this whole mission was to meet men and extort them.
Initially, yes. But now I have the money, so it's time for love.
I beg, stop that nonsense you're saying. Love. Since when did we start looking for love?
Well, I don't know about you two, but since I met Donald.
I will assume that you're joking. You're joking, right? So you're not joking?
No.
Okay, so this is my candid advice, eh? You have to unwrap your head from this love-chasing thing with Donald or whoever.
Why?
Because you, my friend, advised me not to date Pius, the love of my life. Remember who you obviously knew I was in love with?
And you were the same person that Jack loved with all his heart. Like, and what did you do to him? Huh?
Babe, how far? Hit it well now. Hit it. Now I'm trying. Hey. Oh. What kind of person is this one now? This mechanic's number has not been going through since.
Why would this car break down today of all this? That part will be on already. You think I already prepared myself on how I'm going to steal the moment and have all the guys drooling over me, and then you just have to spoil? Why?
You don't have mechanic's number. You don't have mechanic.
You don't have mechanic, Joe. What situation is this, for Christ's sake? What are we going to do now? There's nobody even passing. It's just... Keep calling someone.
I'm trying now. I'm trying. The heat is too much.
Oh, my hair is exposed. Everything.
Who do you even know that you're like? I hope you didn't now spoil everything.
I'm trying now. I'm trying.
Stop it.
Finally, someone showed up. How do you know he stopped sleeping? Stop me. Keep trying, just in case.
Trying. Ask you to give me mechanic's number now.
And time is going. Continue. Of all this one is just shining at its peak.
Hello?
Hello? Are you a mechanic?
No, I'm not.
Also, but you're like a driver, you can help fix the car, right?
I'm not a driver either, but I can help check the car.
Whatever, just do it, please. Thank you.
Let me just help. Time is going.
Babe, keep calling me mechanic, just in case.
He's doing the same thing you did before.
Start. It's okay.
You what?
See, Oga, please leave there. Leave there.
Leave now.
Oga, come out from there, beg. It's okay.
He's just trying to help now. Nice.
He obviously doesn't know what he's doing. So what are you saying?
Well, you might be right. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I can call my mechanic to help fix it.
Young man, we don't have time for that. We are in haste. Oh, God.
Just give me 1 minute.
So you have mechanic?
Hello?
We'll just order an Uber and call a mechanic later.
Where are you?
What's he doing now?
Along my street. You just a white car help me fix it. Okay. Thank you. He'll be here shortly. Can I give you a ride? If you don't mind. He'll fix your car.
Is that your car? Are you sure your Oga won't mind?
Nah, don't worry.
Where we're going is far, oh.
Just wind up the glasses.
Let's go. Take it. nothing that we will need. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Excuse me. Please, this is my card. Please call me.
Excuse me. Thank you. She will. Bye. You'll be alright.
We're outside. Where's the party at?
We outside. Did you girls see that senator that was spraying dollars? If not for the tight securities there, I would make sure that I go home with him tonight.
The one that pissed me off was that my tall, sweet, dark-skinned speck. That baby with fat bum came and snatched him.
When they are saying do BBL, you say no. Natural body is the best. Look at it. I'm glad we still went home with some cool cash though. Thank God we did not miss this party. Hey! If you're paying me, next week would have been hard. How would I be going to get money? Anyways.
Oh, my sweetheart.
Jack Agro, CEO Jack Agro Company.
What's that?
Okay. Jack.
Who is the Jack?
It's true. Wait, is this Jack of Jack Agro?
Well, that's what is written on the card. I don't know.
Who is Jack Agro? Even if that's him, like, I don't think that's him. Maybe that's his PA or something, right? Yeah.
That's true, but we still have to find out though. Don't have to conclude.
Don't worry, I collected the card. I'm going to do the investigative business.
That was supposed to be for Olivia, not you.
I don't care, she can have it. That's definitely not Jack. That's not a CEO. Did you see that guy?
Well, CEO or not, at least we'll have a card that, you know, is written with all these fancy things that we are seeing. So we'll find out.
Give me the card.
Why?
Bella, if they born you well, keep that card.
This was you saying doing face.
People should not fight here. What's this now? Why are you holding on to the card?
You too, why didn't you collect the card?
Is it your card?
Is it your own
problem?
card?
You two do.
But I'm the one that collect. You refuse to take this card. Do you remember she refused?
I beg, leave the card for
but
her.
What if this is
card?
his PA for real? Wouldn't that be weird?
Find out first.
The worst that can happen is he's going to lose his job for impersonation.
If I call and it's his PA, well, whatever happens, happens. Let me just call. Don't pick up.
Keep calling.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, you don't know me. My name is Olivia.
Olivia.
Yeah. From earlier today, your PA gave me your card. The guy with the glasses, the small man.
I'm the guy on glasses. I'm Jack.
Oh,
Which of the girls are you? Are you the one with...
yes.
Please, can we see tomorrow? I mean, can we have dinner tomorrow?
Why did you end the call?
Hello?
I sent message. He wants to have dinner tomorrow.
Time to pick dresser.
With who?
What is your problem now?
You
Why
go and
like
follow
this?
him. Go and stand near him so you will know how small he is coming to tell me to
You are
See, a man is not known by the
Ask her if she's big.
So should I now
Yeah,
go for
she's
a
a
small
woman and she
man
can be
as
like
I'm
this.
small?
Babe. Don't tell me that in the space of 2 days, this guy has bombarded you with messages like this.
You thought I was exaggerating when I said it.
But why won't you just give this guy a chance now? He's just trying to get your attention. Why don't you indulge?
You saw how small that man is. You're telling me to indulge.
Ha!
Can you follow that kind of man?
Live. Since when did we start considering what they look like?
Since when he was that small. Look at the small.
Olivia.
Like that.
But this guy has money.
It's Jack of Jack Agros we are talking about though.
Like there's money on ground. Do you know farmers have like a lot of money? Like blood money. Live.
Mama Sabi. Let's go, ladies.
He's in calling.
Don't pick it.
Leave now.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm after you guys. I'll just wear my shoes. I'm coming. This girl doesn't know what a bright future looks like. I'm going to show her. I'm coming!
Hey Jack.
Well, I'm glad you came.
I called for the meeting. So, what's up?
I'm here.
Why are you drinking water? You don't do whiskey or,
I don't take alcohol.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyways, so you said you wanted to see, you like my friend?
Yes, I like Olivia. From the very first day I set my eyes on her, I've not been able to get her off my mind.
That's funny.
I know. She doesn't take my calls or return my messages. But I try. I try to get her off my mind, but it's just not working.
But you just met Liv like a few days ago, so what's going on?
I guess this is probably love at first sight.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh so loud. Did you just say love? Like, we're talking about love at first sight. Like, who does that?
Because I've never felt this way for any other person before.
Okay. So, all the feelings you've ever had for your exes, what would you call them?
Well, I've never been in a relationship.
Don't say that outside. What? What kind of a man would you be if you've not been in a relationship before? Like, how does that work?
That's the point. You know, I know I'm not like every other guy out there. Yeah, I might be a bit off.
A bit off? That's all shades of off. I'm sorry. You're the kind of guy my Liv wouldn't want to be with you.
Now that is where I want you in. Please, I need you to help me. I need you to help me convince her. Because I want to be with her. Please.
How much?
Excuse me?
How much would you pay me? Convincing Olivia is a very Herculean task, so how much would you pay me?
How much do you want?
200,000.
I'll give you 250. Okay, just here. Type in your account number and the bank.
UBA.
Sent. You receive an alert soon.
Oh yes, I will. It's nice doing business with you. Okay, so where's the waiter now? I want to drink and not water. And boom, that is how he sent me 250,000 naira.
It is a lie.
She's joking.
Okay, you think I'm joking? No problem. Let me show you. Boom. Yeah, just to talk to you.
Just to talk to me.
Bella, I actually did not sleep with him.
I slept with him now. On top of the table in the restaurant, I did like this to sleep with him. Can you imagine? Oh, babes, have fun now. Yeah? Babe, the ball is in your court. What's up? Look, Liv, nobody's telling you to be in love with this guy or anything. Just pretend, small laugh here and there, and you'll be milking him dry. And let me tell you something. He has never been in a relationship before, so you're going to be his first. Yes, I know that look. Plus, he has never taken alcohol. The guy is a total nerd. He knows
He's a dead
nothing.
guy.
Are you serious?
Isn't that dead boy behavior?
Don't do like this now. Since when did we start caring about how they look?
250k.
Huh.
Who is there? Yeah? Who? Hey.
Hi. Why do you look shocked? You sent me your address.
Yes, but I didn't think you'd come.
Right.
Yes.
Are you going to invite me inside?
Oh, please, I'm sorry, come in.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Oh, thank you.
Do you mind? Do you mind to drink anything?
I'm okay. Fruit juice. I'll have fruit juice.
1 minute.
Thank you. Wow. So his house is this big. So, you live here alone?
Yes, I do.
Where's your family?
I don't have any.
Not even one person?
I grew up in an orphanage.
Oh.
I was there till I was 11 before my foster mother adopted me. She was a woman in her 50s, late 50s precisely, who wanted a child to call hers. She wanted a family. She wanted someone to call family, and I also wanted someone to call family, so we're all by ourselves together. She runs an agricultural business, and she introduced me to the business at 15. Unfortunately, she died when I was 20, so I had to take over the business. And I grew the business to what I call Jack Agro Company. It flourished, all thanks to God.
She must be proud of you.
I guess so.
Your space is really nice. It's big.
Thank you.
So tell me, Jack, why are you single?
I hate to put the blame on how I grew up, because it has affected me and my social life. But you're the first person I've always wanted to interact with.
Interesting. So, what are you willing to do to have me?
What do you want me to do?
Well, my love language is money. So, you have to spend money to prove it to me. Hello? Hello?
Hi, Olivia. I was wondering if we could see a movie
Look,
together.
Jack, because you took me out shopping doesn't automatically make us Romeo and Juliet, okay? You have to do more than this if you want me to be yours. Movie kill you there. Oh. Hi.
Hello. Yeah.
For...
I remember the day I met you, your car broke down and unfortunately I could not fix it. Well, I might not be a mechanic that fixes cars, but I'm sure the man that can get you a new car. So, here's your new car.
You mean this is for me?
Yes, all yours.
This is mine?
Yeah, and I hope you like it.
This is my new car! Oh my goodness! Lucy, guess what? Jack bought me a new car! I swear. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Oh my days. Wow.
Do you like it?
I absolutely love it.
That's good to know.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Can you keep up with this? Can you keep up with this energy? Can you...
You said one question.
Whatever, you know what I mean.
Well, Olivia, I want you in my life and I will do anything I can to keep you in it.
Okay then. I'm yours.
Does that mean we're dating now?
Yeah.
Yes!
But...
What?
Nothing sexual until I want it.
Fine. I'm good with whatever you're good with. Trust me.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to go show my girls the new car. Thank you.
I... Drive safe.
Cheers, ladies!
Wait. You're trying to say that this guy got you a car just like that?
Listen, when I told this man to prove himself, I didn't know he was going to go this far. Like,
he must really like you. Wait, hold on. Is he like so much in love with you, or he's just being a fool? Because what sort of a man buys a gigantic car?
A rich man.
Just to, win a girl over.
I think he just has a lot of money to waste. That's what I think.
well, guess what? This money lover right here is ready to spend it all for him.
Yeah. Okay. Question. Does that mean you're not his girlfriend?
Well...
Hey!
Jack, where's the food?
I'll be with you shortly. Oh, I'm so sorry it took time. Okay. Here's yours. And this is mine.
What?
It's good to finally have someone to talk, eat, and spend time with.
You have a company, Jack. You literally have people working for you.
I know, of course I do, but it's just work. You are actually the first person I am letting into my personal space.
That's supposed to make me blush. Eat your food, Jack.
Yes.
I'm staying over on Friday.
Really?
With my friends.
Oh.
Do you have a problem with that?
No, no.
So like, we're having girls' night, so I suggested we stay here.
Oh.
Yeah. And then we're gonna have like food, drinks, dancing, usual party stuff.
Okay.
What's all this oh you're saying? I'm telling you I'm sleeping over, you're just saying, oh, you should ask if I need money or something, and yes, obviously I need money.
I'm sorry.
Just saying oh. I need 500k.
No problem. I'll make a transfer.
You see? That's how a man should behave.
Through storms and skies so blue, I stand by your side forever true. When shadows fall and doubts arise, my love for you will reach the skies in the darkest night.
Bring down the volume of the music. Bring down the volume of the music.
Come on. What's the meaning of this rubbish?
The music is too loud.
And?
I can't sleep.
And?
End this whole thing. You know, it's late already. The neighbors are asleep. End it.
Jack. What's this embarrassment in front of my friends?
Eh? I have guests and you're doing this.
I'm sorry. I
beg.
What do you think you're doing, Jack? Oh, so because you think I'm intoxicated now, you'll take advantage of me, right? Well, let me tell you something. I will never ever ever be sexually attracted to you. Do you understand?
Jack did everything to make you happy. Jack gave you everything you wanted. Jack loved you even when you made sure to let him know you did not love him.
Enough. Can we stop talking about Jack? Okay? It's in the past. He's gone. Let it go.
No, we're not going to let it go, Olivia. If you think you're just going to sway him away and pick on Donald like some piece or whatever.
Okay. So now you're on Jack's side. When we were spending his money and making fun of him, where were you then?
If I knew you were going to kill him,
I did not kill him. It was an accident. An accident that wouldn't have occurred if not for you.
No. Okay? I'm not going to stay here and listen to you two blame me for Jack's death. Okay? Get up and get out of my house. You two of all people. Both of you. You are the ones that... Get up. Get out.
Olivia,
I said get out of my house!
Okay. You know what? It's your house.
Shesh! Go!
Your house! Do
Madam, come
whatever
and
you want.
collect her phone for her. Go, both of you, go away.
How you're comfortable in this house, claiming everything Jack worked for as yours.
Thank you. Can you go now? Take your friend's phone and go.
It's not your fault.
Yes, it's your own fault. You know how to enjoy very well. That's where they will see you.
Who's there?
Hey.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome to my space.
Your space is really nice.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me go get a drink or something. I know you wouldn't do my herbal tea. So,
Yeah, drink will be fine.
okay, I'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll start with this first.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Not us toasting before you drink.
Oh,
Mhm.
no, not me drinking before we toast. Sorry.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, back to the karaoke.
Mhm.
I was on the song by Legend. Okay, let me just start all over again.
Through storms and skies so blue, I stand by your side forever true. When shadows fall and doubts arise, my love for you will reach the skies. In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world spins fast and time's a blur, my love for you will endure and pure. My love, oh. Through laughter shared and tears we weep, in every secret our souls will keep. No matter the distance, no matter the time, my love for you remains the same. Constance rise, I will Constance rise, no matter what, no matter what. Every moment, our hearts accord. And the words times of love and times of love. My love for you will endure and pure. In the world of changes, we find our way in the dance of life. We'll always sway through joys and sorrows that we've seen. My love for you remains forever kin. In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world speeds fast and time's slow, my love is...
Olivia, please wait. Please.
Jack, what is it now? What is it? I asked for your ATM, you said you cannot give it to me, you want to send me money. The men that are giving women their ATM, do they have two heads? Why can't you be a man for once?
I'm sorry. Please, ATM. Yeah.
What's the pin?
2448.
Text it to me, please.
It's actually current.
Sorry, Jack. If I don't spend your money, no one will. Now I have the money and the love. Why would anyone even accuse me of killing Jack? Like, I was only on the phone with him. And everything I did after his death was necessary to do. So nobody's going to send me on any guilt trip. Jack is in the past, okay? You're in love. You're going to be with Donald no matter what. You are going to be with Donald.
Come in!
Hey, baby.
Are you going somewhere?
I came to spend the weekend with you.
You came to spend the weekend with me and you did not think to inform me first, Elena.
What is wrong with you? You used to want me here over all the time. You were excited when we got engaged, and you said you can't wait for us to get married so we can start living together. What is going on?
Do not act like a fool, because you know exactly what is going on. My feelings changed and you know why.
Don't tell me that bullshit. Do you know how much I spent for that shit you want to use against me? I cleared my entire savings for it. Borrowed money from my mom and my sisters. That wasn't even enough. I took a loan and put down the only property I inherited from my dad as a collateral. And you stand before me and tell me your feelings changed. Am I a joke to you, Donald? Am I a joke to you? Answer me! Enough of this. You know what? The earlier you come back to your senses, the better for you.
Through storms and skies so blue, I stand by your side forever true. When shadows fall and doubts arise, my love for you will reach the skies. In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts are caught.
Yeah, hello, Elena.
Hello, Femi. Sorry to disturb you.
Nah, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Please, is Donald with you? I mean, are you guys together?
Donald.
Yes.
Donald is... Yeah, we're together.
Oh, good. I've been
Through
trying to
laughter
reach him. Please, can you
shared
give the phone to him?
and tears we weep, in every secret our
Hello,
souls
Femi,
will
can you give the
keep.
phone to Donald?
No matter the distance.
Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
Network. Hello?
Hello, Femi,
Hello,
I can
Elena?
hear you.
No
Give the
matter
phone to
the
Donald, please.
time, my love for you remains the
Hello?
same. Constant rise.
Hello?
I will constant rise. No matter what. Yeah. Every moment, our hearts are caught. When the world spins, times of low and times of blow. My love for you will endure and pure. World of changes. In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts are caught. When the world spins fast and times are blow, my love for you will endure.
Hello, baby. What do you mean by you can't breathe? Donald, calm down. I'll be there in a jiffy, okay? Oh my God.
Elena, I know this isn't the right time to do this. Considering my present situation and my health.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Are you going to pop the question already?
Marry me.
Of course, Donald. I will marry you. Hey, stand. It's okay. It's okay. On this journey, and I'll be by your side all through it all. And we do anything within my power to see that you skate through this challenge. So help me, God. Hey,
Unbreakable, I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world spins fast and time's a blur, my love for you will endure and pure. My love, oh. Through laughter shared and tears we weep, in every secret our souls will keep. No matter the distance, no matter the time, my love.
Donald, where are you coming from? Don't even tell me you're coming from Femi's house because I called him.
We need to talk.
We need to talk?
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk.
I appreciate everything you've done for me. I value you. Yes, I know I am indebted to you, but the thing is,
The thing is what? The thing is what?
I no longer feel anything for you. I don't have feelings for you anymore. Listen, I'll make sure I pay for every loan you took on my behalf. And yeah, let me see. You might have to drop the ring.
Donald. Donald, I'm talking to you, Donald.
Hey man, bring your voice down. This is an office.
I don't give a damn. I don't. Did you really say that to Elena?
Yes, I did.
Well, how could you? Why would you?
She was going to get hot anyways, so there's no need to play pretense.
Donald, this is because of the new chick you just met, right? You're dumping Elena because
Come on, bro. This has nothing to do with Olivia. Okay?
So where were you last night? Donald, you're dumping a lady who accepted to marry you even when your days were numbered over someone who knows nothing about your struggle. Tell me about an ingrate. Tell me about an asshole. Tell me about an ungrateful wretch. Bro, I'm so disappointed in you.
You should watch your words.
I'm so fucking disappointed in you.
You should watch your words, Femi.
I'm so disappointed in you. Because of you. That rat.
Through storms and skies so blue, I stand by your side forever true. When shadows fall.
Oh, my chest.
Donald, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? Donald, stop. What's going on? Donald, please. Donald, please. Baby, stop. Baby, please, just come. I'm going to help you. Come. I'm going to drive. Come. Stand up. Just my chest. Donald, please! Sam, can you manage, please? You know you are too tall. Just come, please, just help me. Oh, calm down. Take it easy, okay? Just follow my lead. Please. Donald, you're scaring me. I can't catch you. Just come. Baby, please.
Oh my goodness.
What is going on? Baby, please, just stop scaring me. I'm going to drive. Come on, just one step at a time, okay? Follow my lead. Donald, please. Come on, baby. It's okay. Come on, baby. It's okay. Just manage. God, what is this? Donald, please. Donald, please.
How long has it been like this?
For a while now, he's been complaining of chest pain and weakness.
Chest pain. Why haven't you taken him to the hospital?
I wanted to, but he refused. Baby, calm down.
There's no need.
Easy.
There's no need. I'll be fine.
It's okay, baby. Calm down. You see? It's okay. He keeps saying that.
Donald, you need to see a doctor. This doesn't look good at all.
There's no need. For me, it's just stress. I just need some rest. I'll be fine. It's just stress. I just need some rest. I'll be fine, Femi.
Stress? This doesn't look like just stress, bro. Well, if you say so, then I need to go. Because trust me, I need to take care of the company right now.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Please take care of him, okay?
I will. Thanks for coming, Femi.
Yeah, I will. Now, if I don't, who will?
In the
Okay, be
darkest
good, okay?
night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts are caught. When the world spins fast and time's a blow, my love for you will endure and pure.
Are you okay, baby? Donald. My God, what's going on? What's going on with you? Come, relax, relax. Do you feel better?
Don't worry. I'll be fine. Okay?
That is what you say all the time, but you don't look fine. Donald, I don't think it's wise for you not to see a doctor. I'm scared.
Don't worry. You can go back to bed. I'll be fine, okay?
How can I go back to bed? I can't sleep again. I have to stay awake and watch you. It's okay, come, I'm here. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, we need this.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, just hold my hands.
Thank you.
Through storms and skies so blue, I stand by your side forever true. When shadows fall and doubts arise, my love for you will reach the skies. In the dark.
Donald! Ah! Donald, you fall off the stairs. Donald! God.
I will love you.
What happened?
I feel so dizzy.
When the world spins fast and time's a blur, my
You should have stayed in the room. I told you. So sorry. I'm sorry, baby. You know what? Please rest your back here. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
through laughter shared, tears we will
Stay here. I will serve your food, okay?
Don't.
Why?
No matter the distance, no matter the time, my love for you remains the same. Constant rise.
Same thing you keep saying since yesterday. You know what? I'm calling Femi right away. We are taking you to the hospital. No, please, just... Hello, Femi. Please, can you come right away? It's not so serious yet, but I am afraid things might get out of hand if we don't take Donna to the hospital. All right.
Through joys and sorrow, that will my love for you remains forever.
I'm going to serve your food now, okay? Because you have to eat something. Okay? Okay, baby. Please, you eat something, all right? Just stay here.
I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world
Easy, one step at a time. Sorry.
You both not going to say anything.
Sorry.
I should have followed you both into the doctor's office because I don't I don't understand the awkward silence. Come on now, you guys should talk to me. I need answers. What did the results say? Oh, Femi. Come on, Elena. You know, you should talk to me. Say something. Say something. You guys should say something, please. Am I dying?
The doctor said
I'm sorry. His condition is really critical.
Critical.
Doctor, what is critical? What's really the problem? Like, can I see the result? Can we see?
Doctor, what is the meaning of this?
His heart is failing. I'm afraid if something is not done urgently, he won't make it.
How can Donald's heart be failing?
Doctor, please. Please. What's the way forward?
Look, Elena, if we had diagnosed this earlier, I would have been able to recommend treatments that will help reduce the amount of fluid in the heart. And something to help ease the strain on the heart, but it's too late because it's at the end stage of heart failure. And my recommendation is a heart transplant. That's the only way moving forward.
Heart transplant?
There will always be a way out, bro. Spare me the motivational speech. I am dying.
No, you're not, bro. The doctor said
the only option is a heart transplant. And you're going to need a heart in the first place. And even if there is a heart, it's one thing for the transplant to take place. It's another thing for it to be successful.
Bro, you're overthinking this thing.
Overthink, you say, Femi. You know, I would have been better off not knowing it if I am dying. So tell me, how do I go to sleep knowing that tomorrow is not promised for me? And even if tomorrow is promised for me and I wake up, how do I live every day? Every second knowing I'm living it like it's my last. Because it can truly be my last.
It's not going to be your last, bro. I'm going to talk to the doctor. I'm sure there can always be something that could be done about this. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill, bro.
Hey, babe.
Hi, darling. I miss you.
I only left your place this morning.
More reason I miss you. Don't you miss me?
Of course, I miss you too.
So, I've decided I'll be spending the night at your place.
Oh, really? I like the sound of that.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye. What's that?
What?
It's a queenly eating for me. Olivia, you never stop amazing me. Are you still doing it?
Should I use my hands?
Okay. Let me eat like Olivia. So now we have to use a fork and knife. We'll start with the bread, right? Let me taste this.
How's the pepper? It's alright. You're a big man, you can handle it.
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm a strong man. So, what have you been doing today?
Are you expecting anyone?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the door.
Fine. Thank you.
1 second.
Yeah, sure.
You? What are you doing here?
Is this the reason you changed?
What's going on? Do you guys know each other?
Wait, is he? Yes. Yes.
Is he? What? Can you guys say something?
Donna, this is the lady.
What lady?
The lady whose husband's heart was transplanted in you.
What? Yeah. How?
After you were admitted in the hospital, I went to see the doctor. Doctor, please. I don't want my fiancé to die. We just got engaged.
Elena, I understand you. I know how you feel. But he should be fine if we are able to do that surgery as soon as possible.
But where are we going to get a donor heart?
That should be the least of your worries, because there are brain dead patients whose families are willing to donate their hearts for a price. Your primary focus should be how to raise the money, the price.
This price you're talking about, like how much?
It's a lot, depending on the family demands, but I assure you it's nothing cheap. I'm talking about like 50 million naira.
50 million naira. Doctor, we don't have that much.
I know. Elena, but I would advise you start looking for ways to raise that money. Why I sought for the donor heart. Because the earlier we do that, the better the chances for donor to survive.
This is too much. Thank you, doctor.
Oh, so sorry.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's
Hello, doctor. Yes, you were saying that.
I was saying we're able to find a donor, and the guardian is going to be here shortly.
Oh, thank God. I was also able to run around and get some money.
Oh, that's good. Oh, Donald is so lucky to have you.
Hi,
Oh,
doctor.
yes she is. Hi, Olivia.
Hello. Hi, doctor.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Olivia, meet Alina, the lady you intend to help.
Hi. It's nice to meet you. Finally, the doctor told me about your fiance's condition. I'm so sorry. I don't mind giving my husband's heart away.
Your husband?
He was involved in a fire accident.
And the burn was so severe, as it took long before he could be brought here. We've tried our best, but unfortunately he's not going to make it. So I spoke to her about your fiance's condition, and she has offered to donate your husband's heart.
Really? You're going to do that for me?
It's okay.
I'm so sorry for your husband. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. What's your offer?
I have 40 million naira.
As much as there's no amount that can fix it, it's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Doctor, so shall we just do the needful?
You can take your time to
It's okay, just give me a pen.
Thank you. Name, please.
Olivia Dawson.
Thank you, Olivia. Thank you so much.
I'll just take my leave, doctor.
It's okay. Thank you so much, Olivia.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
So everything will be put in place and we'll schedule the surgery immediately.
She's an angel.
And you are a wonderful woman too.
Thank you, doctor. Let me go and see him and give him the good news.
Of course, go ahead.
Am I going with this?
No, please, I'll keep it.
Alright. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye. I ran helter-skelter trying to get the money. Went into debts, took insults from family members, but I didn't care. So long as they were going to give me the money. I did all that for you, Donald. I paid you that money in exchange for the heart. You took the money from me and still came for the heart.
Okay, relax, okay? I didn't come for the heart. The heart came for me because the heart wants what it wants.
But this is not your husband. This is Donald, my man.
Oh, this Donald, your man, would have been dead if not for me. So you should be saying thank you.
If you did not donate the heart, someone else would have.
Ah, what do you want? Okay, let's forget about the body. Now we're talking about the heart. And
Enough! So you've been married? You told me you were in an abusive relationship, but you never said you were in an abusive marriage.
I wasn't married, okay?
But you said...
I lied, okay? I lied so the hospital would take me seriously. Big deal. Look, he was my boyfriend, okay? And I was like the only person close to family he had around him. That was why I made the decision.
So I was in love with you because the real owner of the heart was in love with you.
No, it's because you love me.
No, stay back. They don't come close. This is crazy. And how is this even possible? Wait, I'd like to know how he died. Yes, I know you. You said he had a fire accident or something, but I would like to know what caused it. Won't you speak?
Fine. Fine. Okay.
Then speak.
I went shopping with my girls and it was time to pay, you know, and then I realized I didn't have enough money and so I called my boyfriend, but then he didn't pick up. He was in the kitchen and...
Hello, Olivia.
Where the hell did you put your phone, Jack? I've been calling you since forever.
I'm sorry I was in the kitchen.
Sorry for yourself, please. I need about 500k right now. It's very urgent. Send it immediately, please.
500,000? Olivia, just recently you deducted a ridiculous amount of money from my account and now you're asking for another. How?
Jack, spare me the story and send the money immediately. Do you understand? Look, Jack, you must not hang up this call.
Please, let me call you back. I have, my gas is on.
Jack, I said you must not hang up. Don't cut this call.
So you killed him?
Why does everyone keep saying that? Look, I only said he should stay on the phone. It's not like I went there and stabbed the man to death or something.
And then you sold his heart. How heartless of you, Olivia.
You know what? It's giving ungrateful. Because if I didn't do that, you'd be dead. You realize that, right?
Funny enough, I feel bad rather than thankful. I feel bad because I have the guy's heart. And to make it worse, I fell in love with you too. I should have believed your friend.
Hmm? What friend? What are
A
you
lady
talking about?
walked into my office and introduced herself as Bella.
Bella!
She said you weren't worth it. She said you don't deserve my love. She said, in fact, she told me how bad you hurt your ex. As a matter of fact, she said you were responsible for his death. She was about to say more before I shut her up and walked her out of my office because I felt like she was coming from a place of jealousy or she was hating on you. But now I know better. I have the guy's heart and I understand how much he loved you. But you see that one thing that he couldn't do, I am going to do it on his behalf. Olivia, I want you out of my house and out of my life.
No, Donald, no, please. Please, look, I'm a different person, okay? And I love you, Donald. Please.
I am glad you do, but now you know how it feels like to be hurt.
Please, no. Where are you going? Donald! Help me beg him now.
Are you crazy?
Donald!
I should help you beg my man not to break up with you? You don't belong here.
Donald!
You don't have a place here.
What are you... Donald, what are you doing now?
Get out.
Donald, please.
Donald, get out. Get out! I cursed the day I met you.
I'm just going to leave you to take in all of this because this is misery to me too.
Hey, Elena, please, don't go, please. Elena, please.
I'm not going to leave you. I'm just going to give you some time. I don't want you to be with me because you feel it is the right thing to do or because you feel that you owe me. I don't want you to be with me because you feel it is the right thing to do or because you feel that you owe me. I want you to be with me because you love me. And if we're going to start all over again, it's not a problem. And if things don't work out, I won't regret every step I took for you, Donald.
Elena,
It's killing me could recall, you promised that you stay beside me.
Hey, so wait, so you mean to tell me you fell in love with Olivia because the heart donor was in love with Olivia? That's crazy.
Okay, I know, right?
But things like this don't happen in this side of our world now.
Hey, bro. Like you're speaking to a first-hand experienced man. Like I experienced it.
That's crazy, man.
It is.
For real, sorry I spoke to you the way I spoke to you, though. Because from the way the whole situation is revealing itself right now, you weren't at fault.
Come on. Though you were a bit aggressive. I understand that you're coming from a place of care, so I did not take that to heart. It's just that I just feel bad for Elena because I can't imagine how Elena must have felt with everything she's done for me and not being against her. I am sure for a moment she must have questioned herself for going the extra miles for me, you know.
I can feel her pain, though. I could feel her pain.
Yeah.
So what now?
You mean?
I understand that everything has happened, but there has to be a way forward, yeah?
Uh-huh.
So what's the way forward?
Yeah. I want to love Elena with a new heart.
Right.
I mean, I want to give this heart to someone who deserves it, someone who's a keeper.
My love for you will reach the skies in the darkest night.
Yes, that's what I want to do. And I think Elena deserves it.
Our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world speeds fast and time's gone, my love for you will endure and pure. My love, oh.
Through laughter shared and tears we weep, in every secret our souls will keep. No matter the distance, no matter the time, my love for you remains the same. Constance rise. I will Constance rise. No matter what, no matter what. Every moment, our hearts accord. When the worst times of love and times of love, my love for you will endure and pure. In the world of changes, we find our way. In the dance of life, we'll always sway. Through joys and sorrows that we've seen, my love for you remains forever kin.
In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable. I will love you no matter what. In every moment, our hearts accord. When the world speeds fast and time's gone, my love for you will
My love, oh. Through laughter shared and tears we weep, in every secret our souls will keep. No matter the distance, no matter the time, my love for you remains the same. Constant rise.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Hello, I just remembered how we used to do our morning exercise together before my health deteriorated. And then you stopped doing yours as well. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You sacrifice everything.
Alright.
Okay.
The last to get home makes
breakfast. And it's not you leaving me. Please help me, my drink. By the way, do you remember this movie?
How can I forget? Our first date night together. We went to see this movie.
And you remember our first kiss? So, how about we recreate that moment?
I think we should.
Okay. It's been possible.
Let me see. What's in the white ball?
Actually,
what's up with you guys now?
With oh, Elena.
Yeah, that's my game. What's the white ball?
Yeah, sure. So we're back to where we were before I fell ill. Apparently.
Like you guys are good now.
You know, it took little effort. With Elena, I don't really have to do much to fall in love with her again. Do you know why?
Tell me.
The heart wants what it wants. And the brain tells us what we need. But in this case, the heart doesn't really have a choice and go with what the brain wants. In the case of Elena, I didn't fall in love with her at first sight, not even at second sight. I fell in love with her personality. I loved her the more I got to know her. And to be very honest with you, Femi, Elena is my dream woman. And she's the one I want to do life with.
You know what I've said? I'm so proud of you right now. But I won't say that. Because now you just get sense. I did tell you this. Hook up with this guy, deal with this guy, chill with this guy, and I cook it. You know. Sorry. Chief Williams.
Chief.
Yeah. I'm telling you. Hello, good evening, Chief. Yes, Chief. Yes, very fine, Chief. Yes, Chief. First thing tomorrow morning, myself and my partner will be at the office, Chief. Yes. Thank you very much, Chef. Thank you.
I won't smash my full small thing. Contract.
If I had to answer you, don't you this girl is a lucky charm. See, you guys just meet up now. We just got this contract.
Come on, you mean
Papi, we just got this contract of 200 fucking 50 million naira!
250 million?
Look at that shit first. I'm not joking, man!
Yes!
Stick with this girl now. Look at the girl contract.
So I finally have...
Bro, this girl. Yes!
Where is the food, Donald?
Almost with you. I'm coming.
Through storms, the sky so blue, I stand by your side, forever true. When shadows fall and doubts arise, my love for you will reach the skies. In the
Where is yours?
I just wanted to eat first, you know. After you're done, I'll eat mine. And then if you don't like it, it's just delving because I am starving.
I bet I will like it.
Sure. So. Yeah. I want to ask you into my life.
What?
And this time I promise to never stop loving you. You're everything I want, everything I need, everything I desire in a woman. You have my heart.
No matter the time, everything remains the same. Constant rise, constant rise. No matter what, no matter what, stand up. And the worst times and times of dawn. In the world of changes, we find our way. In the dance of life, we'll always sway. Through joys and sorrows that we've seen, my love for you remains forever kin. In the darkest night, the brightest day, our love remains unbreakable.